So guys, for the first method, once you're on OBS, you want to click on File and then click on Settings. And then you want to click on Audio. Now under Global Audio Devices, you want to make sure that next to Mic Audio, you have your speakers selected. And only your speakers. So anything else you may have, you want to make sure that's on Disabled. And then click on OK. Now for the second method, you want to try to tweak with this bar right here. And then see what works best for you. Maybe the bar is too high and it's making an echo, so maybe just try to lower it a little bit and then see if that's better. Now for the third method, you want to make sure that your audio speakers have the latest drivers installed. So you want to head over to search and type in Device Manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand audio inputs and outputs, and then you want to find your speakers. You want to right click on it and then click on Update Driver, and then click on Search Automatically for drivers. Make sure that the best drivers for your speakers have been installed. Your speakers or your headset may also come with a software, so for me I'm using the Logitech G432 and it comes with the Logitech G-Hub software. So you want to check if you have the latest drivers in the software as well. So for me I'm just going to click on Settings and it tells me that my firmware is up to date. You could also head over to OBS and then click on Help and then click on Check for Updates. And if your OBS has an update, you can update it and see if that fixes the problem for you. Try to test out your microphone on a different application as well. So for example on Discord, I'm in Settings, I clicked on Voice and Video and then click on Let's Check. And if you also hear an echo on another application, then your microphone is probably the problem. It's probably broken and you should get a new one. But once you complete all the methods in this video, you want to restart your computer and then see if that fixes the problem for you.